What is a hardware wallet? To understand what a hardware wallet is and how it works, let's have a look at a very popular hardware wallet, the Ledger Nano S. It has a small display, a USB port, and 2 buttons. The nice thing about a hardware wallet is that, unlike a paper wallet, you can use it even though the private key is protected. To use it, connect the Nano to your PC via USB, enter your PIN, and open the Cardano app on the Nano. An important security feature to remember is that if someone enters the wrong PIN 3 times in a row, the wallet will reset itself. Let's open Yoroi and send some ADA. Yoroi will show you the amount and the destination address. Ledger Nano will also show you the amount and the destination address on its display. The transaction will not be executed until you press the Confirm button on the hardware wallet. You should always match the amount and the destination address with the display of the hardware wallet. Only confirm the transaction if everything matches. A hardware wallet is safe to use even if the computer has been compromised, as long as the human cannot be outwitted. Under the hood, there is a microcontroller unit, the 2 buttons, and the display. There is also the secure element. This is where your private key is stored and the Ledger apps are executed. Through this chip, the private key is isolated from the rest of the system and can't be accessed directly. Only over an interface is it possible to access the public key or sign transactions with the private key. But this interface has simply no option to show the private key, therefore it can't leave this chip. Unfortunately, this design also means that a compromised microcontroller unit could technically send malicious transactions to the secure element and confirm them itself, or show a different transaction on the display than is actually sent to the secure element for signing. Never leave your hardware wallet unattended. You have to think of it as a safe. Inside is your private key, and it has a slot at the top and at the bottom. At the top, you throw in the desired unsigned transaction, and at the bottom, the signed transaction falls out. As already indicated, hardware wallets have their attack vectors. Some of them are pretty creative. The effort is usually very high and requires physical access to the device. Don't leave your hardware wallet lying around carelessly. Put it away like you would do with other valuables. Thank you for watching.